Okay, see question number 2. Good question. Why? Because ellipse and hyperbola both they have given. Ellipse equation x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a is greater than b. Hyperbola equation x square by a square, capital A square, okay, minus y square by capital B square is equal to 1. Let the distance between the foci of E and foci of H both are 2 root 3. That means see this 2 root 3 we have to take for both. Distance between foci, distance between foci. If small a minus capital A is equal to 2, that means see small a is bigger than capital A. And the ratio of eccentricities of E and H, E divided by H is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, actually respectively they have to write, but they have not written. E and H means E by H is equal to 1 by 3. The sum of the lengths of lattice rectum. Sum of the lengths of lattice rectum means here also length of lattice rectum you have to find, here also you have to find, then you have to add. That should come 8. Okay? Okay, see, step by step, first of all, let me draw this figure. Ellipse is this one. Okay? Hyperbola is this one. Both are on x-axis only, if you observe carefully. This is focus, here is on focus. Okay, both are on x-axis only, not on y-axis. Why? Because this is anyway x-axis, a is greater than b, and here minus y square, but x square has not come minus negative. That is why this is also on x-axis. Now, distance between foci. See, foci means you shall write AE. AE1 I will write. Okay? Okay. And here also minus AE1. Here capital A E2 I will write. Minus capital A E2 I will write. Okay? Now, see, distance between foci of this ellipse means 2AE1 is equal to 2 root 3. Okay? That means AE1 is equal to root 3. Here also, distance between foci is 2AE2 is equal to 2 root 3. Or else AE2 is equal to root 3. See, what we can understand from both. That means capital A E2 is equal to small a E1. Okay, this we can understand. That means E1 by E2 is equal to capital A by small a. Okay, but the relation between capital A small a they have given. That means see, I want to write 1 by 3. This is E1 by E2. Numerator only I will change. See, capital A is equal to A minus 2. Okay, I am writing like this. See, A minus 2 by A is equal to 1 by 3. Why? Because E1 by E2 is 1 by 3. Okay, that means see, 1 minus 2 by A is equal to 1 by 3. Or else 2 by A is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. Or else 2 by A is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. See, A is equal to 3. Then capital A is equal to A minus 2. Capital A is equal to A minus 2. That means 1. Okay, small a and capital A both you have got. Okay. If you get small a, then can you get E1? Yes. Why? Because see, E1 is equal to root 3 by a, 3. That means see, 1 by root 3. E1. Root 3 by 3 means 1 by root 3. Okay. Now you go for E2 here. E2. E2 is equal to root 3 by capital A1. That means root 3 only. E2. Well, because see, E2 for hyperbola is always bigger. Okay. Now, for finding length of lattice rectum, you require b, small b. How we are going to find? E1 square is equal to a square minus b square by a square. Why? Because this is on x-axis. Okay. Comma. E1 square means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to a square means what? 9 minus b square by again a square 9. Okay. Now 9 comes this side means 9 by 3 3. 3 is equal to 9 minus b square. Or else b square is equal to 9 minus 3 6. You require 2b square by a. Why? Because on x-axis only it is there both. That is 2b square by a. Don't find b, what to say b. You require b square. That's all. Okay. Now come for here. Here. See here. E2 square is equal to capital A square plus capital B square by capital A square. Okay. That means 3 is equal to 1 plus b square by 1. That means capital B square is equal to 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. This is also I am boxing. Okay. Now here length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum LLR is equal to 2b square by a, that is equal to 2 into 6 by a is 3. 4. Why? Because 3 2 times goes 2 into 2 4. Here also LLR is equal to 2 capital B square by capital A. Okay, that means 2 into 2 by 1, that is equal to 4. Okay, now what is the final answer? Sum of the length of the lattice rectum. So sum LLR is equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. 8 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.